Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open the match and jump straight into team creation, choose the contest, and start building your primary squad. Pick a balanced core Roman 11 so you have a stable baseline, and set captain and vice-captain to maximize points. Make sure you track credits and bowling/batting ratios as you add players. Once the core looks solid, pause. This primary team is your anchor. You'll now create variations as backup options to protect against last-minute lineup changes or pitch shifts. Once done with the anchor team, duplicate it to create a backup variant so you don't rebuild from scratch. You change just 1 to 3 players, or swap the captain and vice-captain to cover alternative scenarios. This hedges risk without losing your core strategy. Make complementary swaps, alternate an all-rounder for a bowler, or shift a risky batter to a safer pick. Also, ensure credits still fit, and the team meets playing Roman 11 and role constraints before you proceed. You save each backup team and confirm your contest entries well before the lock time so there's no last-minute panic. Monitor official final Roman 11 and pitch reports. Make quick edits to backups if required, since changes are allowed until the match locks. If the app misbehaves, teams not saving or buttons unresponsive, close the app, clear cache, or log out and log back in, then reopen the team and resave immediately to avoid losing spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.